everybody and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is really a delight and it's something which is very simple to make. So let's just dive straight into today's recipe and today's video. So here I've taken about 20 Marie biscuits. You can also take digestive biscuits. And you're just going to crush them roughly with your hand. And then we're just going to beat them up into a coarse powder. They should resemble, dry sand. Don't put them in the mixer pot because then it becomes a very fine powder and you won't get that, rustic pie look. Now I'm just going to lightly butter my cake tin and line it with some baking paper or parchment paper. Now you can, it's preferable to use a tin which has a removable base. Now I have this coarse powder. I'm just going to add about half a cup of melted butter. And we're just going to mix this very well till it resembles wet sand. So you can adjust the amount of butter and then you're just going to pour this into your cake tin and press it down very tightly. It should be packed down and then we're going to refrigerate this for at least an hour or more till it nicely gets hardened and set. Now we're going to make some condensed milk at home. If you don't want to use the homemade condensed milk, you can just use about 300 ml of condensed milk. Now here I just have some powdered sugar, some butter and some milk powder and some hot water. We're just going to combine all of the ingredients into our blender pot or mixer pot and just blend them till we get the right consistency of condensed milk. That's all you require to make condensed milk at home, but you can also use the store-bought condensed milk. Now the next step is we're going to beat up some fresh cream. So here I'm just using about 250 grams of fresh cream and it's a small tip over here. See that your fresh cream is cold and kept in the refrigerator before beating it up. So you don't really need to beat it up very much, just for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to make a puree of some strawberries. So I've just taken some large strawberries, 6 to 7, and just put them in my blender and made this very smooth puree. So now that we have all the ingredients, just let's start making this beautiful strawberry pie. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine our strawberry puree with our homemade condensed milk and we're going to whisk it in well. Look at the beautiful color. If you want a darker pink color, just add more of the strawberry puree. I like this very pale pink color. Now I've added my cream, which I've just beaten up a bit. We're going to fold in everything till everything comes to a nice smooth consistency. Now our biscuit base is nice and set, so we're just going to pour this mixture into the tin. We're going to refrigerate this for at least 4 to 5 hours. This needs to completely cool and harden up a bit. Now after waiting patiently for 5 to 5 hours, I'm just going to decorate it with some chopped up strawberries or some sliced strawberries. So you can decorate them however you like. So I've just thinly sliced them. And then I'm going to refrigerate it again till it's time to, serve this awesome dessert. So now we are ready to have this dessert. So I'm just going to be demolding it. It's set perfectly. So now I'm just going to open up my spring foam tin and take off the butter paper. And you'll see how well this has set. You can see the lovely biscuit base, the light baby pink color of the pie, and the beautiful strawberries. Also take out the base, take out the butter paper and just transfer it to a beautiful plate and serve. This is an ideal cake for any special occasion, for a birthday, or when you're having guests at home, or you just want to make your family happy with some lovely homemade dessert. And this is a special recipe since Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And now I said I'm going to share with you some homemade strawberry ice cream. Well, I just had a little bit of the mixture left over, so all I did is add up some chopped up strawberries and I put them into a tin, and I just covered it with some butter paper, and then I just put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours, and there it is. It was all set, and you have some homemade strawberry ice cream too. So just serve it up with some chopped up strawberries. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.